So we're going upstairs now to see the upstairs. It's gonna be a shocker. The chandelier looks like it's gonna fall off because somebody has eaten that. I walk into my room. I walk into the other two bedrooms. They seem pretty okay. I walk into this room. There's a huge hole in my wall. This is my bedroom. They fixed it. They covered it up with this. I don't know what this is gonna do exactly, but we'll see. Then this is my walk-in closet, and I don't know, can you guys see? I'm doing the best I can here. There's a big hole in my walk-in closet. This is where I keep my bags. It's really messed up now because I had to take a lot of things out, you know? And whatever it is, it certainly likes expensive things. It ate my hydrogen machine, which is a very expensive machine. It's a hospital machine. And they seem to like designer bags. They'd shoot up my Louis Vuitton bags, the handles of my bags, my Chanel bags, my Louis Vuitton bags are all ripped to pieces. I don't know if you can see that or not. Can you see? And covers, futons, ripped to shreds. So I go in my bathroom and I see that they've ripped up the whole door of my bathroom. Like I want to take a shower with my eyes closed. They've ripped up the shower curtains. They've got holes all in them. This was 1.5 days. 1.5 days of leaving your house, and you come back and there's a creature in it. And I can hear them. They're having a party at night. So I call the landlord. I say, listen, there's something going on in my house. I think you left a hole in the wall, and you know there's something going on. So I hear something. He says, that's not our responsibility. Not the landlord, sorry. The real estate company. He said, that's not our responsibility. You're going to have to take care of that. You left a hole in my wall and I'm gonna take responsibility for that? Also ate, I've got such a mess in my room. Can you see how they've even eaten the filters of everything? They ate the filters of the air conditioning. So odd, right? I gotta put that back later. So, they ate the metal inside the air cooler. And I'm living with this thing. So I spend $1,000, have somebody come and look at the house. They say, they've already gotten in. Now they're in. That's what he told me for $1,000. He put medicine in. He says, there's not much we can do because they're in. They're in the house. Isn't that a horror movie? They're in the house. Just want to show you one other thing because you're going to be shocked. So now they decided that they would take responsibility for it. And they got somebody coming twice now to look at it. Can you see this? They tore it apart. And you go outside and they've torn up things outside my house. It's just a crazy, crazy situation. They say it might be, I saw raccoons in my garden before. I live in Tokyo. I'm not in the mountains. I'm living in Tokyo. And it's a crazy situation because I'm living with a creature in my house and we're not sure what it is. It's kind of like a raccoon. I forgot the name of it, but they told me, don't you know that? I certainly don't. We don't have that in my country or any other country I've ever visited. But it's quite scary. They came twice. They made holes in other parts of the house. They came today. They put traps in the house. I think they told me it was going to take 3 to 6 months to get rid